CEXIO pricing explained what you get for your money. CEXIO is a cryptocurrency exchange that's been around since 2013, but most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for professional traders. The surprising truth is that CEXIO caters to beginners and experienced users alike, offering simple buying, selling, and trading options along with transparent pricing. Opening an account is free, and you can fund it via bank transfer, credit card, or crypto deposits. CEXIO uses a maker-taker fee structure, starting at 25% per trade for both makers and takers, which decreases with higher 30-day trading volumes. For instance, if you buy worth of Bitcoin, you would pay 15 fees, but trading more frequently could reduce fees to as low as 10% per trade. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and offers both spot and margin trading. Credit and debit card purchases carry additional fees, typically around 2.99%, but are convenient for quick crypto acquisition. Withdrawals may involve network fees, which are clearly displayed during the process. Security is a major focus, with two-factor authentication, cold storage for crypto, and regular audits ensuring user funds are safe. CEXIO also provides a user-friendly interface with mobile apps, making it easy for beginners to manage trades, while offering advanced charting and analytics for experienced traders. The surprising truth is that CEXIO's transparent fees, combined with multiple payment options and strong security, make it one of the more approachable exchanges for both new and seasoned traders. Understanding these fees and how trading volume affects them can save money and improve trading efficiency. In conclusion, CEXIO delivers clear, competitive pricing along with a range of crypto services. By knowing the fee structure and payment options, you can confidently navigate the platform and get the most value for your money, whether you're buying your first Bitcoin or actively trading multiple cryptocurrencies.